Question 7. A database table, waterfowl, stores some details of a range of birds found in the UK that live on or near water. The length and wingspan dimensions are in centimeters, and the typical lifespan is in years. So we've got this table here. We've got the species, the family, the length, the wingspan, the coastal habitat, and the lifespan. The part A, state the purpose of a primary key in a database. So a primary key, we know it's a field that is used to identify a particular record in a database. So in this case, we're going to say the purpose of a primary key is to uniquely identify records in a database. Part B, complete the table for each of the given data types to identify one field from the table, waterfowl, that is most likely to use it. Each field must be different. So data type, and then you've got the field here. So Boolean, which field for Boolean? Boolean is a data type that has got two values only, true or false, yes, no. So let's check the one that has got only two data types is coastal habitat. So here, the correct answer is coastal habitat. Then integer. Integer, they are all numbers, both positive and negative numbers. So we check our table, the field that has got numbers, which are all numbers. So if you check our table here, it is lifespan, which has got all numbers. Then real, we have to check the table. Real, these are numbers with decimal places, or they are fractions. So let's check here. We have two numbers, length has got decimal numbers, as well as the wingspan. So the correct answer here is we can pick length. Now, length or wingspan. Text. Text is a series of numbers. Text is a series of characters that are treated as a unit. So if we check our table here, the one that consists of text, you've got species, you've got family. These are text. So species or family. Part C, give the output that would be produced by the structured query language, SQL statement. So it's saying select species, length, wingspan from waterfowl, where family is equal to swan, order by lifespan. So the SQL is allowing us to select this field, the species, the length, which is here, and the wingspan. These are the the three fields we are picking, the columns, and then where we have to select where family is equal to swan. So we check under family here, is this one? Yes. So we are going to pick this record, and then we look for another one where family is equal to swan. We are going to pick also this record to meet the condition. And then we also going to look for, we are going to pick this one. So we've got Bewick swan, we've got mute swan, and then we've got whooper swan. So these are the three records. Then the SQL is saying order by lifespan. Lifespan, okay, so lifespan is here, and we have 8 here, then we have 10, and then we have 9. So if it's not specified, the order is not specified, whether it's ascending or descending order, we are going to sort them in ascending order. So the first one is this one, the first record, then followed by 9, and then the third one is this one. So let's go and write the answers. So we've got 3 fields, which is a species. Then we've got the length and the wing span. So the species that we picked there is Bewick's swan. The length is 120.2, and the wingspan is 190.5. Then we have whooper swan, whose length is 150.0. Then the wingspan is 230.0. And then the last one is mute swan. The length is 150.0, and the wingspan is 220.2. So that's these are the records that will be displayed when this query is executed. Part D, complete the SQL statement to list only the species, family, and lifespan of all waterfowl whose typical lifespan is at least 10 years, sorted in order of species. So we have to list, you say select, then we've been given specific fields to use. So we start with the select. So the first field is the species, comma, family, comma, lifespan. These are the 3 fields been given, this one, that one, and that one. Of all waterfowl, this is a table name. So we can say from the table name is waterfowl, where we've got a condition here whose typical lifespan is this. So we use the where clause, where lifespan . is greater or equal to 10 years. We have 10 here. And then we've been told that this is being sorted in order of species. So we say order by. Order by, then species. And a semicolon. So every statement in SQL must end with a semicolon. So this is the query.